Good morning, children. Once again, welcome to the biology class. We were discussing about the structure of human digestive system. In the previous session, we discussed about food pipe and stomach. Today, we will discuss about the remaining parts of the human digestive system. Small intestine, large intestine, and two more glands are there. What are they? Liver and pancreas. Listen.
You know, there are three glands in human digestive system. About one gland, that is salivary gland, we discussed in our previous class. The remaining two are liver and pancreas. So you can see liver and pancreas in this picture. Liver is the largest gland in the body. It is a reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. This liver secretes bile juice. And this bile juice has an important function. Do you know what is that? Bile juice helps for the digestion of fats. And you can also see a green color structure here, that is gallbladder. The bile juice is secreted by the liver, but it is stored in a sac called gallbladder. Then the next one is pancreas. Pancreas is a large cream colored gland located just below the stomach. Do you see the pancreas in this picture? The pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. And this pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats, and proteins and changes them into simpler forms. Swallowed food passes into the food pipe. Food is pushed down by the movement of the wall of the food pipe. The food reaches inside the stomach. Stomach opens into the small intestine. You can see small intestine in this picture. The small intestine is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meters long. It receives secretions from the liver and the pancreas. Besides, its wall also secretes its own juices. The partly digested food now reaches the lower part of the small intestine, where intestinal juice completes the digestion of all components of food. So the main components of food are carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. The carbohydrates get broken into simple sugars such as glucose, fats into fatty acids and glycerol, and proteins into amino acids. The digestion is completed. Do you know what is the next process? Yes, the absorption of nutrients is the next process. The digested food can now pass into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. The process is called absorption. Here you can see some finger-like structures. What is this actually? These are villi. The inner walls of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths. These are called villi. Can you guess what the role of villi could be in the intestine? The villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food materials. The absorbed substances are transported through the blood to different organs of the body, where they are used to build complex substances such as proteins required by the body. This is called assimilation. In the cells, glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed enters into the large intestine. Look at the picture. You can see the large intestine. The large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. It is about 1.5 meter in length. What is the function of this large intestine? Its function is to absorb water and some salts from the undigested food material. The remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there as semi-solid feces. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called egestion. Sometime you may have experienced the need to pass watery stool frequently. This condition is known as diarrhea. It may be caused by an infection, food poisoning, or indigestion. It leads to the excessive loss of water and salts from the body. Even before a doctor is consulted, the patient should be given plenty of boiled and cold water with a pinch of salt and sugar dissolved in it. This is called oral rehydration solution or ORS. Thank you for listening me. Please read page numbers 16 and 17. I attached a link to watch the animation of the topic. I also attached notes and test questions. Download the notes and learn. Attend test questions. See you in the next class with another topic. Till then, bye.